Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing a single arm double press. So there's many steps to this movement, which means we have many different modifications to make this work for you. Ultimately, we're gonna have one dumbbell here, right? And we are going to do a burpee. So we can step back into our burpee, bringing our chest all the way down to touch. And then we can come up onto our knees and step up if we wish. We're gonna grab our dumbbell from here. My chest is upright. And then I'm gonna come up to stand, snatching that dumbbell overhead so my bicep is by my ear and I'm locked out in this position. I'm gonna come all the way down to the ground. I can hold the dumbbell or I can set it off to the side. I'm gonna jump back into my burpee, right? I can jump back up. And then from here, we just wanna bring that dumbbell all the way overhead. We can curl and press if you feel more comfortable with that. Just make sure that you lock out with the bicep by the ear. So we can step back, lower down from our knees, jump up, however we wish to do it, and then just snatch that dumbbell all the way overhead. For more total body exercises like this, that's gonna get you breathing heavy and sweating. Sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.